Hey, this is Casey, and I'm One Mellow Marigold.
Hi, and I'm KL, and we're going to show you a Toronto rain garden.
Come on along. Hey everybody, super excited to be outside with KL here today.
Hi.
I am on a road trip and I am up visiting my best friends in Toronto. And they, like myself, love to get outside in nature, and they've done some really cool things with their garden and patio. In particular, they've got a rain garden that's totally brand new.
Yes. Yeah.
And we're really excited about it.
So excited.
Tell everybody what it is about a rain garden that was exciting to you and why you wanted to put one in.
Sure. So when we bought this house a couple years ago, the front yard was just grass, and it's Toronto, so it's a very small front yard. It's not super big, but it's all just grass and maybe some plants. And what we decided to do, we wanted to just get rid of all the grass and just have just plants. But we also wanted to build a rain garden. And so what you do with a rain garden is you're directing all of your downspouts into a kind of a divot that you've dug in your front yard, so that the water kind of just seeps down into the ground, right? And there's layers of sand and such, and it just helps so that it's not all this rainwater is going into the sewer, and so it helps alleviate the stress on the sewer system.
Very cool.
Yeah.
And do you think, so like walking around, and I'll turn the camera around and we'll show you kind of what some of the urban houses look like around here, but lots of short little front yards.
Yes.
So mowing is annoying.
Well, you know, we had a push mower, we had a manual mower, so it wasn't that bad, but yeah. We just don't, I'm not a grass person.
Just not a grass person.
Yeah.
And so is this something that you have seen in other front yards around the neighborhood?
No.
Oh, cool.
No.
First person?
Yeah.
Just gonna start a trend.
Everyone was asking about it when we were out here digging and pulling everything up, and like so we were educating the neighborhood about it.
And that's how it goes, right? You just share your passion and you keep yapping, and here we go.
Here we go.
All right, well, let's turn around, and Kathleen's going to tour us through all the plants.
Okay.
So we wanted to step back and just show you kind of what Toronto houses are like in this urban neighborhood. As you see, they're really close together. So we have lots of tall, skinny houses. But if you look in the front yards, we don't have a lot of front yard like you might see in more suburban areas. So little bitty short front yards. And as you can see, lots of folks have put in various plantings and things to take the space of the grass.
Hi.
So where do we start first?
Okay, so I just want to show the rain spouts. So we've got a rain spout coming from the left side of the house.
Yep.
And that comes down and actually goes under the stairs. So we diverted under the stairs, and it comes right here.
Okay.
Right here. And then we have another one that comes over here that we built in here. So we've got, rocks and things just to direct the water here. So you can kind of see the center area was dug down about 2 or 3 feet. I don't know if you can kind of see that. And so what happens is when there's a heavy rain, all the rain kind of pools in this area. So this is the area that's supposed to pool. And then if there's an overflow, it'll all come down here and go out to the street. So we have the ability to go out to the street.
And have you had hard rains yet? Like, have you been able to see if it fills up and how it works?
Yeah, we have had some hard rains, and it fills up great, and we have not seen it overflow yet.
Oh, so that's really cool.
I know, it's been great. So when we dug all this out, we mixed sand down in there and mixed, so it's and tried to make sure it's all loose.
So it's really light soil, really loamy.
Mm-hmm.
And did you mix the soil? Did you buy a certain soil?
No, we just used what we had here.
Okay.
We had some sand, so it's working as designed. It's all water is soaking down into the ground and not going to the sewers.
Okay.
So, and so what we did was we got as many native plants as we could. So we got, so we planted a number of things. Everything that's in here is good for water. It likes to be wet.
Okay.
So we've got some nice grasses. So we've got plants in here. These are mostly native. These grasses, you know what they're called, I forget.
Sagegrass?
Sagegrass.
Yep.
And then the blue flowery things, those are
lobelias. Yep.
And then there is, I don't know what that green thing is. There's some irises. Oh, she told me and I forgot.
That's okay. Iris is over in the corner.
Mm-hmm. And then up here, not in the rain garden, we have some Canadian anemone.
Ooh, I'm really actually excited. I'm going to show a picture of what that looks like blooming.
Yeah, they have these really pretty white flowers, so those will be really pretty. And then we got this bush. This is called a 9-bark bush. And so that's going to get really, really big. We got it for free from the city. You get 2 free bushes a year.
Get out.
I know, crazy.
Way
Toronto,
cool.
love
Yay,
it.
Toronto.
Some more bushes, grasses, columbine.
Columbine is gorgeous.
Yeah, yeah. And then of us, we had the peony was already here. And then we have a tiny little geranium. And that's a native geranium. I don't really know what it's called.
That's okay.
Okay. And then this tree, this is going to be a tree. So this, again, was our free from the city.
Gosh,
this
that's
is
amazing.
a serviceberry tree. So it will grow to about 15 to 20 feet or so. So it'll be nice in front of the house.
I'm going to show a picture of that too. I am super excited. I love berries of all kinds. So I'm really super excited to see what this looks like. But edible berries, like usable edible berries, birds will eat them, you'll eat them, the whole, everybody's going to eat the berries.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah, it's
Very
pretty
cool.
So the front, all these creepy things were here, and we've just kind of cleaned them up a little bit.
Sure.
And then these are black-eyed Susans. They're not blooming yet. They'll be blooming probably in a few weeks. And these were the first plants we bought, like on the first day we took possession of the house.
Yay!
So I bought the black-eyed Susans, and I bought some echinacea. And the echinacea is rainbow echinacea.
This
so
is going to be super fun.
Gosh, it's so beautiful. So it's like yellows
got a couple
and
just
oranges
starting.
and the deep purples, reds. So lots of fun colors in that echinacea. And then just more of this, I don't know what it's called, but creepy stuff, and then it'll all spread out.
Yep.
Just, I call it creepy stuff.
Yep.
And then a corbel back there.
I love her. I
Yeah,
love a
she's so
corbel. So
pretty.
many different colors they come in.
Very, very pretty. And then I can't remember the name of this one. But
That's okay. I don't know either now, and I have a whole bunch of it.
love it. Love it.
We'll go through and put all the names.
Later. My wife knows all the names of them. I don't.
And everybody pretty drought resistant up here.
Yeah. And I love this one where it's got the little purple or pink flowers coming up. Again, I don't know the name of it. But, and then there's another geranium that's surviving, not doing the best.
Well, that happens to everybody, right?
So that's it. That's our
Very
rain garden.
cool. So this is really exciting. You're going to inspire some others, hopefully, to do the same. We're going to save some water from our systems, which is super important, and make your yard really beautiful. Okay, everybody, that is it for us today. Thank you so much, KL, for showing us your rain garden. I do not have one. Maybe this will inspire you. If you do have a rain garden of your own, if you've tried this, please, by all means, comment down below and let us know how it worked out.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
It was fun.
Yay! If you found us helpful, of course, give me a like. I love it. If you want to come along on the journey and see me talk about more garden stuff, go ahead and give me a subscribe. And as always, I love you guys, and I'm going to talk to you soon. Bye.